5 Maya tips to improve your productivity immediately. Number 1, comfortable time slider. If you see the time slider is so congested, in just this much of space, there are more than 100 keys. It's always good to have the keys spreaded. Now, if you see, if I have to key, I can easily understand the key is on 34 and the key is on 28. This is what you should be doing. Tip 2, key tick size. I've seen a lot of students who do this key tick size as 1. If your animation is going for 100 frames, 200 frames, it will be really hard for you to find these keys. Better go here, preferences, there is time slider option. Here is a key tick size. Click here 2x, save, so that your key tick sizes are now thicker and you will be able to select it precisely and move it very fast. This will improve your speed in animation. Number 3, manipulator size. By default, the Maya has this manipulator. Can you see it? I'm not even able to see it. This get mixed up in your controls and this takes a lot of time when you are doing animation. That is why on preferences, on manipulators, and increase the handle size and the line size and then save it. Now the line size is thicker and you can easily select the controls and save your time here. The fourth tip is using the manipulator precisely. If you really want to have less rotation, then make sure that the manipulator is big. If you want more rotations, then make sure that the manipulator is small. And the last but not the least, using local and world axis for moving and rotation. To move its own, if I really want this hand to move in its own direction, I will select the local axis, the object axis, this way. If you really want to move here, once you rotate, if you want the character's hand to go here, it's easy that you keep it in local axis and move it accordingly. If you really want multiple controls to move at the same location, then select Control Shift, right click and go to world axis and then move it so that you can move it together, and make sure that you use this center key to directly move the hands instead of selecting this, instead of moving individually. This will waste your time, and this is how you can actually be more productive while doing the animation. If you like the video, share it with your friends and follow me for more such animation tips.